Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
So I was watching Kesari Chapter 2 recently, and oh my god, what a film. Please go watch it. But yeah, for the ones who have, I'm not going to give any spoilers, but it's something that made me think in terms of my life and my goals as well. So I'll try to keep it as short as possible. But if you want to skip like the next 1 or 2 minutes, you can related to the film. And मैं बस ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर से टच करने वाली हूँ, not about the characters as much and what happens, but yeah, there comes a point in the film where it feels like तुम्हारे एंड से जितना भी था तुमने कर दिया and everything is against you. You might not like the circumstances, your willpower, all that was logically possible. वो सारे तरीके तुमने अपना लिए हैं and still things are not turning out in your favor. And that is like a very beautiful turning point that I like to see in all stories where the main character goes above and beyond all the logically possible ways to prove their might. And it also reminded me of this another film of the cricketer Pravin. I hope that's his name. I don't want to ruin it, but yeah, the guy who had been playing cricket for more than a decade and then received his due after a very long time. And also the book Third Door, if you haven't read it, please do. It is about this concept जब तुम्हारे पास दो options रहते हैं which the world knows about and which you try, and then there's a third door that you have to create by yourself. You have to bang it and like तुम्हें अपनी पूरी जान लगा देनी है, तब जाके वो दरवाजा खुलता है and you get the opportunity. So something similar happens in the film, something similar happens in our own lives as well when we are tested to the best of our abilities, and that's when everything seems to go against you. Like, not in the sense that the world is a bad place and no one will help you, but in the sense that तुम्हारे अंदर ऐसा क्या है कि वो सिचुएशन ही मुड़ जाए and you are not the one bending your knees, but the situation has to change because you have decided to take part in it. You have believed in the vision so much. You are so well connected and have that एकदम तोड़ belief कि कुछ भी हो जाए नहीं छोड़ना है. And in the least dramatic way possible, those are the moments that give me goosebumps every time I come across it. So, yeah, it made me think of the things that I want to do in my life, right? And whenever I decide on something and want to take it long term, I know I'm going to be tested with all sorts of things. तो मुझे खुद को ये सवाल करना है कि चाहे कैसी भी डिफिकल्टी आ जाए, am I ready for that? Do I want to stake my everything for this vision that I have? And if that's not the case, then I don't think that vision is for me, or it is something that I will be able to stand through the test of time. And I've had so many of those moments where I thought I could. एक तरीका होता है कि तुम ट्राई करके देख लो, और दूसरा तरीका होता है कि लगे रहो, बस लगे रहो, क्योंकि तुम्हें जितना तुम वो चीज करते हो उतना तुम्हारा बिलीफ उसमें बढ़ते जाता है. So when it comes to the first instance, I have failed at a lot of things, and you can listen about it in my previous episodes as well. I'm not going to talk about it over here. But every time I've tried something, I don't think I asked myself the question that, am I ready to face any sort of challenge that this brings and stake my life for it? Because that's how much invested I am in this cause or the action that I'm taking. Because to be honest, अगर चीज़ें आसान होती और सब सर्कमस्टांसेस तुम्हारे लिए ही होते, तो सब लोग वही कर रहे होते एंड सबको रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे होते. But it's when you don't see the results, it's when you don't feel like things are going as per how you thought. And when the circumstances are not matching, nothing is going right. Your finances are not aligning with it. Your everything, literally everything is at stake. And still you go ahead with that thing. Then it says something about your vision and your action and the power that comes along with it. बाकी चीज़ें शायद तुम करने के लिए करो, थोड़ा करके छोड़ दो, पैसे के लिए करो, इज़्ज़त के लिए करो, वो अलग ब्रैकेट्स में आ जाती है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू समथिंग यू बिलीव विथ ऑल योर हार्ट, चाहे दुनिया ऐसी की मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे 10 लोग तुम्हारे अगेंस्ट हो जाए, चाहे तुम्हें उससे पैसे ना मिले, चाहे तुम्हें उसका फल ना दिखे तभी के तभी, पर फिर भी तुम लगे हो, फिर भी तुम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो, तो वो चीज़ बहुत स्पेशल है, इज़ व्हाट आई फील अबाउट इट. And I know I always keep talking about feeling aligned and at flow in life. I don't believe in struggle and hard work, like the extreme one. I believe in being at one with your spirit and listening to your spirit. So it is not necessary ki just because you are living a life which is aligned to your true nature, तुम्हारे life से problems ही हट जाए और challenges ही हट जाए. That is not the case. I'm just saying not every moment will feel like that. And when you do have a challenge, it will strengthen your belief. It won't be one that will weaken you and you will leave the path altogether. So there's a difference between both of those things. And I don't think I did a great job at explaining it, but yeah, I hope you get it. Get what I'm talking about. Like, जब तुम अपने सोल से चीज़ें कर रहे हो और जब तुम बाहर से करने के लिए चीज़ें कर रहे हो, वो दोनों में कितना डिफरेंस रहता है और कौन सा स्ट्रगल फील होता है और कौन सा मेक्स यू फील लाइक योर कैरेक्टर इज गेटिंग डेवलप्ड. एक जगह पे तुम्हें बिल्कुल ग्रोथ फील नहीं होती, एक जगह पे तुम्हें रोज कुछ सीखने मिल रहा है, एक जगह पे तुम्हें मन ही नहीं करता, एक जगह पे तुम्हें मन करता है कि टाइम ही खत्म ना हो, एक जगह पे तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ये सिर्फ अपने सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी के बारे में सोच कर रहा हूँ, एक जगह पे तुमने सब कुछ भुला दिया है क्योंकि तुम्हें वो चीज़ में इतना विश्वास है कि वो तुम्हें बांध के रखेगी, तुमने जो भी चाहा है लाइफ से वो तुम्हें देगी, ये चीज़, ये एक्शन करके वो चीज़ तुम पा लोगे. एक जगह पे तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम कभी जीत नहीं पाओगे, तुम मीडियोकर ही रह जाओगे. एक जगह पे तुम्हें लगता है कि मतलब ये जो दूसरा साइड है, लाइक द सोल साइड, वहाँ पे तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम किसी से कम्पीट नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम अपना जो यूनिकनेस है उसके हिसाब से जी रहे हो. फाइनली you've left the mediocrity and now you are playing at a completely different level, which is playing as who you are for the first time. So, those are like the many differences to cite, and how the soul aspect of it makes all the difference and is worth living for. तो वही है, सर्कलिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक ऑफ चाहे कितना भी कुछ हो जाए तब भी मैं ये चीज़ के साथ डट के खड़ी रहूँगी, वो वाला क्वेश्चन मैंने शायद कभी किया नहीं था. बट नाउ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, आई नो वेरी फ्यू थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ मेक मी फील दैट वे, जहाँ पे मैं डाल दूंगी अपना पूरा, not knowing when, how, and the way it will shape me. Like, I don't have expectations out of it, but that is because I don't want my mind to limit me, and I want to be open to the super conscious world and let it play and do its magic. So, yeah, ask the question to yourself as well. जब चीजें डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगी तभी भी will you go ahead with this particular vision that you have or the kind of action that you're taking? And if the answer is yes, I am so happy for you because you are yeah, on your way to create big, amazing, beautiful things in your life. Because when you will be tested, when things will get difficult, you will be the last man standing. And when someone is the last man standing, they create history. They create something people get inspired from. They create something that breathes life into their existence. And if not for those moments and those experiences and belief in our vision, what are we even living for and aiming at? So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.